habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Hello world! What an appropriate greeting for the course that I'm currently video recording in preparation for my blended learning program. The world has really gotten smaller. First, telephone, second, internet, and third, COVID. The third one has really forced us, accelerated us to adopt technology tools. And indeed, it's become a virtual reality setup now, every day, virtual communication between two people miles away. I have 3 tips for you on how you can succeed in influencing others in a global setup. They all start with letter A. First, be aware. Next, accept. Third one, act. Awareness, learning about cultural traits of others, looking at how similar they are with yours and how different they can also be. Second is accepting these differences and embracing that each society has certain values and traditions. And third, based on your knowledge, awareness, and acceptance of these cultural differences, how will you now act with sensitivity and with respect in your social, interpersonal, and business interactions? Remember, awareness, acceptance, and action can make you succeed working and collaborating in a multicultural environment. This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.